I guess it's time for a video update on this. See, I guess I switched from doing metal work to installing an engine and transmission. So a 350 with a turbo 350 to replace the 283 Power Glide that was originally in it. I got the brakes mostly in place. I guess all the lines I bent up, they need to be bled yet. Got the main line run from front to back on the driver's side, and then the fuel line is run on the passenger side. Get the drive shaft in. So I guess I skipped over the part where I painted the floor. Got them seam sealed and painted, and the firewall seam sealed and painted. Before that, got these A-pillar covers back on. So I brought in some of the dash parts and interior parts and just set them in the back. The seat's in there to bleed it, but I gotta wait until there's more bracing to hold the brake pedal in place to bleed the brakes. But have the rear drums on. The brake line is run across the rear to both sides. Got the tail panel seam sealed. The trunk floor is painted and seam sealed. Been kind of gathering parts. Got the gas tank for my brothers, and the straps and sending unit. And try getting that installed and maybe try making it running and driving before finish off the rest of it. I think that'll give a little more motivation. Not really sure what I want to do for brackets and pulleys, because I got the original power strain pump and all the brackets and for that, and the alternator brackets from the 283. And I also have like the newer style pulleys and brackets. Have the fuel pump installed. HEI distributor. I was not sure if I want to get I can get the points distributor from my brothers too. Yeah, got quite a bit done in between there. And the unfortunate thing is my brother did pass away back in, it was May, but I have kind of continued working on his car. But anyway, thanks.